See, that didn't really take that long. It took me longer to explain things and stuff than to just go out and do it. Now you can do the same thing. See, I got one way up high there. And towards the kitchen, there's nothing in the kitchen. You should never have a smoke alarm installed in the kitchen. Read those directions. And see in here, there's one in the hallway here. And then because there's a header here, they had to put another one right here in front of the bedroom door. And then inside each bedroom, there's one. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. And the ones out here is 4, 5, one I just did. And then in the back bedroom, there's another one. There should be one in the bedroom there too. And there is, right by the front, you know, by the main entrance door to your bedrooms. Okay, so that's 6. Now I got 5 regular smoke alarms and 1 carbon monoxide alarm. Now where should I put the carbon monoxide alarm? I'm thinking, I was initially going to put it right there where the main bedroom is, but these doors generally stay open, and I think for the sake of argument I'm going to stick it right here in the middle of the hallway. Okay, that way people can hear it down that direction, they can hear it in the bedroom there, they can hear it in the back bedroom there. So that's where the carbon monoxide one I've decided to do, and all the rest of the ones I'm putting in all the other different locations. Okay, I guess I should just get busy and get her done.